Hey guys, Big John TV here. Thanks for tuning in. Got another food review taste test for you. Sidekick number 1, sidekick number 3. We're going to eat some candy today. Hershey's brand has regional flavors based around different states in the country. Okay, so 6 different flavors from 5 different states. It's their new summer thing. We have them all except for Hawaii, which is Coconut Kisses. We cannot find those. I don't know why. Those are so hard to find, but everything else we got. So let's go through them. This is New York. It is just a regular Hershey bar, but it's cherry cheesecake. California, strawberry Kit Kat. Flavors of Georgia, honey roasted Reese's peanut butter cups. Payday, peanut caramel bar, flavor of Texas barbecue. So you know I had to eat that one. Florida gets 2 because they're special. Twizzlers, 2 different flavors, orange cream pop and key lime pie. So there we go. Let's start with the meltier ones first so we don't make a mess. Let's open the cherry cheesecake first. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a white chocolate candy bar. And it's studded with pink. That's the cherries. Artificially flavored candy with crispy cookies. So it's like the cookies and cream, except they're pink cookies, I'm assuming. Hoop. Hoop. Here we go. What do you think? Who wants to talk first?
I like it.
Yeah? Very strong strawberry, fake strawberry flavor. Cherry. Fake fruity flavor. Let's say that because it's just fake fruitiness. But cherry cheesecake, the white candy bar itself, the white chocolate does have a cheesecake flavor to it. The vanilla-ness, the cream cheesiness. That's actually a pretty good candy bar. Alright, sorry for that little delay there. Sidekick number 3, actually mid-bite of the Hershey bar, lost a tooth. So she's out. She's been sidelined. Maddie will finish. We'll keep moving. Let's go to the strawberry Taste of California Kit Kats. Let's open them up. Maybe. There we go. So there's the pink Kit Kat bar. Smells like strawberry, right? Not cherry. Better do it quick before it melts. It tastes like strawberry, like Nesquik, the mix, the strawberry milk. A little bit like gacky sweet on the fake strawberry flavor, but not bad. Definitely does taste like strawberry. It definitely has that flavor, so that's accurate.
It tastes like those little wafer things.
Vanilla wafers in the middle.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It tastes like the cookie.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So far so good. Which one? Payday or Reese's? Reese's. Okay, so flavor of Georgia, honey roasted. These should be good. I'm a fan of Reese's. Let's just share this one, okay?
Okay.
Just a regular peanut butter cup. Kill it. Ooh, the honey flavor really comes in on those. Those are delicious. Those are actually better than regular peanut butter cups. I wish they had that flavor all the time. I love honey and peanut butter, those sandwiches and that flavor combo. That's beautiful. That's a great peanut butter cup. That's before those are the winner. Well, that's the winner. Although this one might, we'll see. Peanut caramel bar, flavor of Texas barbecue. Got a picture of a barbecue sauce bottle on it. Yeah. It smells like barbecue sauce. It smells like barbecue. So the peanuts are falling apart. Dusted in barbecue spice, looks like. And the peanuts are really falling all over the place. They're all over. Almost messy. It's like barbecue potato chips on peanuts, right?
Yeah.
And now there are literally peanuts all over the table
On the ground.
and the ground. It's a barbecue candy bar. I mean, the caramel in the middle is good. The peanuts, they're just a little dusted with the barbecue spice. Those are interesting. Those are good. I think the Reese's still win.
Yeah. It's honestly not my favorite one.
No?
Reese's were my
Are you
favorite.
going to finish that, or are we going to... Yeah? All right. All right, moving on. Key lime pie Twizzlers, and these are filled. I don't know if I've ever had filled Twizzlers before. So let's go. Pull apart bag towards the top. Well, look at that. I read instructions. Because Jessica's off camera telling me. I guess that makes it resealable, huh? These smell like... You're still chewing on the peanut.
Yes.
So these are green and they smell like fake lime and the center is full. They're extra gooey. It's a little bit warm today.
It's good.
They are good. The vanilla-ness inside, the fake lime flavor is not bad. They're not over sweet. They're a little bit more chewy than like a regular Twizzler, so I don't know if it's a temperature thing or because they're filled thing, I don't know. But, that's not bad.
They're good.
Yeah.
They kind of do have a slight sourness to it, though.
There is a little bit of a lime, like a sour lime in there. Interesting. Okay, last one. Orange cream pop. Again, Florida, they're special. They get two. And they did it right again. These have an odd, like, it must just be the style because these have that same weird texture to them. So they're filled again. They don't have as much of a smell as the lime ones.
No.
The texture on these is really glues themselves to your teeth, you know. It's really hard chewing. Yeah, it comes in there, the orange and vanilla mix. I'm a fan of the 50-50 bar flavor, the orange vanilla. The orange could be a little bit more on these, but overall not bad. Squeezing it like you can squeeze the insides out. So yeah, not bad. It's an interesting lineup of traditional candies that are not traditional right now because of the flavors, and so it's interesting. If you see them, grab them. You know, the Reese's peanut butter cups are definitely by far my favorite. These are not bad. If you happen to see the Hawaii inspired coconut Hershey Kisses, leave a comment. Tell me where you're at. Tell me what store, because we are looking for those and we can't find them. I found them online, but I'm not going to spend $15 for a bag of Hershey Kisses. I don't care that much. So, are we good?
Yeah.
I think a thumbs up for the whole series. These are definitely limited time. Definitely want to find them fast if you're interested in them. I think that's it, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Since I'm swollen first, I'll talk, not her. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends. Big John TV, appreciate the support, guys. Thanks. Catch you next time.